Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset FQ400 Fry Master VAT. First I will gonna show you how to change the menu. Like this is like a book. We have there is two folder. It's like all recipes, and there is a temporary set for the name of Rita. Okay, so I will gonna show you how to add the menu. So menu basically will add the code is 1650. We can add here as much as we need. There is the folder, so you can add this Rita. I don't want to add now, just you can add randomly whatever you like. You can add the menu, but in the meantime I am not add because I have already the two menu. One is all recipe and one of the Rita. So, and then if there is new items, we will need to reset in the menu. So how we will add it? So I will show you. So we need to add in the recipe at same the programming code 1650. So example, there is how many items in the recipe, it's reflecting here, like mozzarella, chicken filet, and chicken crispy chicken. So all here chicken fries, also even fries and apple pie as well. So if new items, if we receive, then we will add. So how it will be, I will gonna show you. So example, I will add chicken strips, or what I will add. Example, I will add spicy royal. So I will gonna add spicy royal. The name for the spicy royal is temperature. So basically we will add for the minimum temperature of multi-bat, and we're gonna add the cooking time. It's 3 minutes 15 seconds. Chicken royal or spicy royal cooking time, and so we will add here sensitivity like 5, 4, 5, and shake or non-shake or holding time or filter on, we will add here. So it's I already added. Just for that I will show you. If there is the picture with chicken, with if there is the photo for the items, we can select also. So what I select the here photo, if there is I will add the photo, but maybe it's not available. So without photo I will gonna save. So I save both. So these two menus, so all recipes there also, and then Rita, we need to select the folder and save. Now how it will be reflect in the menu, I'm gonna show. There is the menu. It will be, it's all here apple pie reflecting, right? So second menu for the Rita, all item here. So this reflecting only because 1 2 3 6 here and 6 here, 12 item only can one time it's reflect. So which item or the other there is set, and we need to choose the other items here. So for example I will replace for royal to spicy royal example. Okay, so where I save this spicy royal, here. So I will press here, so it will be replaced. Before here spicy royal, sorry, chicken royal. Now it's reflecting chicken royal. It's cooking time also same 3:15. So again I will back to chicken royal. How it is, double press, long press, it will be, you can change again back to royal. So I will add here, now it will be showing now chicken royal. Thank you for watching.